Hey there, and welcome to this lecture. By the end of this part, you will have your email marketing account ready. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to come to Mailchimp.com. Before we begin, on my website, as a second step, setting up a Mailchimp account, all of the instructions that you have to follow exist here. So if later you forget about them, you can come here and read them. But anyway, we will do it ourselves here. So come to Mailchimp.com and set up free. Click on that. So on the next page, you should provide an email, a username, and a password. So what you should do after providing your email to the Mailchimp and creating a username, they will send you an email and you come to your mail and active your account. Now, they will ask you to prove that you are not a robot, which obviously I may not be. All right, it will take a couple of seconds and then it will bring you to the next page. Here you should provide your first name and your last name. Continue, and what's the name of your business? Let's say Puyaeti. And what's my website? It is puyaeti.com. Now, the thing here is that if you don't have any website, you can provide your Facebook page or Twitter page, okay? So you can simply go to your Facebook, take the URL and paste it here. On the next page, you should provide the address and city, zip code, country, and so on. And then click on continue. And on the next page, it will ask you that if your business is gonna sell something online. Now, for me, I sell something online, but not through my website and not through my emails, right? So if you don't want to use e-commerce on your emails, click no and select continue. On the final page, you can connect your Mailchimp to your Facebook and Twitter, but don't worry about it. We will do it later. So click on continue. And your account is ready, okay? So click on let's go, and congratulations, your Mailchimp account is ready. So if you come back to my website, here I have put the link for the pricing list. Mailchimp itself, it's free up to a limit, all right? So if you come here and click on this link, or simply go to Google and search for Mailchimp pricing, it will bring you this page. And Mailchimp, this service is free for you until you have 2,000 subscribers, and you will have a limit of 12,000 emails per month. Okay, so you can send 12,000 emails per month and it will be free for you. But after that, you can start, there are two different plans that you can pay as you go. For any email that you send, they will charge you, or you can select unlimited for a month and pay them monthly, which for me, I suggest paying monthly because I'm a person that wants my subscribers remember my name, so I send a lot of emails. All right, so that was all about this lecture. On the next part, we are going to create our first email list, and then we will import those Excel file into our email list. So see you in the next lecture.